Yo, what is good everybody? Welcome back to yet again another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we're gonna be answering some of your guys' frequently asked questions. I do have them all written down here on my iPad, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First up, we have here a question on the D187 Denim. It says here, can you give us a closer look on the D187 Western Denim, how it fits, details, and styling tips for them? First up, I have to say the addition of the D-Fit is definitely a welcome addition. As for me personally, I've been really reintroducing kind of straighter and baggier fits into my denim rotation. Now, it's not to say skinny jeans don't have a place in my wardrobe, but it's definitely nice to be able to kind of diversify what I've been wearing as of late. In relation to sizing, definitely go true to size. The denim portion is made up of 100% cotton and there's no stretch. And there's actually no stretch on the very nice quality nylon that they use. But given the fact that they don't have much of a taper and they do fit relatively baggy, you're definitely safe to go true to size. You can rest assured that going true to size is going to be the move and they won't be too tight on the legs or the calf region. Now on to my favorite part of this question, styling these. You can easily go with a pair of Fear of Gods. That's definitely probably the safe route, but not everyone owns those. The beauty of this pair of denim is that they look so sick and they can easily be the staple portion of your outfit. The nylon Western paneling alone is definitely enough detail to get away with a quiet pair of shoes. Get a pair of Air Force Ones, a pair of Vans, because these pants, my friends, are that dang good. All right, so the next three questions are all based on restock, so I'll go ahead and answer them all at once. The first one being, when are the Snap Western pants going to be restocking? If you head over to the site right now, you will be able to purchase them as they have just restocked in the black as well as the pale tan colorway. I do highly advise to act quickly if you're looking to purchase these because supplies will not last and they did sell out pretty fast last time. Now on to the second question, when is the next restock of the Snap Zipper 2 cargos, that of which actually just restocked as well? Again, go ahead, head to the website, hit the link in the description, and don't sleep on these because these will sell out. They sold out last time wicked fast. And for the final question, how do you stay up to date with restocks? Hit the link in the description and sign up for email notifications. We give you direct notifications to let you know when certain things are restocking. If you head over to the actual page of a specific garment, you can actually also sign up for restock notifications on that as well. Also, another really great way to know what's restocked is to actually hit the restock tab on the Minimal website. That'll take you to everything that's restocked, which is generally all our best selling and our most popular styles. So that'll definitely help a ton. All right, so this next question is one that I get asked time and time again, and it's paraphrased a few different ways, but in general, it's something to the effect of, Paul, what size did you get in insert the blank? And I did want to give you guys just an overall conclusive, sizing guide relative to how I size in minimal garments. And to start out, I think it's important to give you guys my dimensions. I'm approximately 5'7" and weigh about 150 pounds. I do have somewhat of an athletic build, so that's something to take into account. Now, as it pertains to tops, I generally almost always go with a size medium, unless otherwise stated in the description of the garment. So sometimes the garment will be naturally oversized, and in that scenario, I might size down to small. But the number one tool for sizing with minimal, and it's so helpful that they do this for every single one of their garments, is they have a sizing chart with measurements of every aspect of each garment. I can't emphasize enough how clutch this is because a lot of websites don't actually provide this. But with this chart, you ultimately have the tools to size perfectly every single time. And it's as easy as just looking at the chart, grabbing your favorite fitting top or bottom, measuring it and sizing according to what measurements you got. And if you don't have a tape measure, there are so many different tools online that you can just print out like rulers and stuff. And that's actually something I've done before because I tend to lose my measuring tape a lot. So that's essentially how I size with Minimal's tops. And the same goes with the outerwear. On a personal note, I do like measurements for the chest to be anywhere between like 20 inches all the way up to 24 inches, with the length being anywhere from like 23 inches to about 27 inches. Of course, it's subject to change and it does fluctuate because every piece is cut and made to fit differently, but that's just a general guideline that I personally go with. Now on to bottoms, this can be a little bit trickier, but with a little bit of thought, it's pretty easy to navigate to get to the right size. I do generally recommend going true to size just because Minimal does a really good job of being consistent in relation to sizing. Now for me personally, I do range from a 30 to 31 contingent on what the taper looks like on the denim. But for the M denim, I do size up to a 31, and the X denim, I size up to a 32. But that's more of a personal thing because I do have an interesting calf to weight size ratio, if that makes sense. For every other pair of denim, I do go with a size 30, and that's because every other pair doesn't really quite have the taper that the M and the X do. So for the most part, I do suggest going true to size unless you do require a little bit more room in the leg and thigh area. All right, so this next question isn't as much of a question as it is a statement or suggestion, and it says no more zipper denim. And I know we've been known for making the M denim, the zipper denim, but there's so many options and so many more coming from Minimal. So definitely stay tuned to see what else is to come. Right now we offer the S fit, the X fit, M fit without zipper, the D fit, the B fit, and so many more. So definitely stay tuned. There's a lot to come. Another fit is actually on the way. So yes, there are many options without zippers. All right, so now on to our last and our most juicy question of all. And this one actually gets asked time and time again. It's actually shocking. Do I own Minimal? If the answer to that question is yes, I do own Minimal. I own a lot of Minimal in my closet and my wardrobe. It's one of my favorite brands, hands down. Now, if you guys are asking if I'm the owner of the company, no, I'm actually not. I do work very closely with the company. I help with the design every now and again. I'll throw my suggestions from time to time, and I've been privileged to be a part of the journey as Minimal has made its rise. So no, I do not own the company, not even close, but I am extremely grateful that I get to work with Minimal as close as I do. But on that note, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys do have any other questions, be sure to comment them down below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for the support. We couldn't be where we are today if it wasn't for this amazing Minimal community. Now, with all that being said, I'll see you guys again next week for another Minimal Mondays.